Alright, we're going to do a ramp start demonstration in the T-2 Buckeye cockpit simulator that we've been putting together. So most of the switches work, but we'll be using the digital instruments for gauge readouts for now until we get the mechanical ones working. So let's make sure both engines are in idle cutoff. Alright, now let's roll on over here. I'm going to turn on the battery so we have electrical power. There's electrical power. Generator number 1 on. Generator number 2 on. Unfortunately, the lights don't work, but I would press warning lights. It would illuminate all of these. Fire detect. It would light up the lights up here. That's still a work in progress with the relays to get that to work. Now I'm going to roll on over here, and I would press the engine oil level test button, which would run this gauge to 0 just to verify that the instrument's good, but we don't have one there yet. And now finally, we're going to go ahead and begin the start procedure. So I'm going to turn on the engine 1 master switch, which opens the fuel valve. Idle cutoff. Okay, I'm going to press the starter switch. RPM coming up. Just cracked 10%, so I'm going to come out of idle cutoff for engine 1, which is the left one. And we have light off, so let's do engine 2 now. Engine 2 master switch on, so the fuel is being delivered. Now, so we're in number 2 idle cutoff, number 2 engine start. Cracking 10% out of idle cutoff. Yep, there we go, and it lit off. And that is a quick ramp start for the T-2 Buckeye.